Okay, everyone, so if you want to record your screen and you have Windows 11, you don't need to download other programs like Vimeo, whatever. You just use the snipping tool. So you just type it in, snipping, and then enter it. And there's no hotkey for the video function, only for the what is that, just taking a snapshot of your screen. So you're gonna have to manually click on that record button on the tool, and then you click on new, and once you do that, you're gonna designate what portion of the screen do you want to record. So it could be like this, or it can be as big as you want it to be, as big as your screen is. And then what's gonna happen is you click start, and well, hopefully you don't get an error like this. This is something with my own computer, but otherwise it should work. So that's how you record your screen. If you get this error message, I might make another really short on how to fix it, whatever, if I see a lot of people interested in this video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you record. You can record anything you want on your computer just by doing that. So peace out.